Throughout history, the words of ancient philosophers have shaped our world, offering wisdom that transcends time. In today's video, we'll explore some of the most profound life lessons from ancient philosophers, quotes that continue to inspire and guide us in the modern world. Section 1. Socrates: the unexamined life is not worth living. Socrates, often considered the father of Western philosophy, believed in the power of self-examination. His famous quote, "The unexamined life is not worth living," urges us to reflect on our actions, beliefs, and purpose. In a fast-paced world, taking a moment to introspect can help us stay true to our values and lead a more meaningful life. Section 2. Aristotle: excellence is a habit. Aristotle, a student of Plato, believed that excellence isn't an act but a habit. He said, "We are what we repeatedly do." Excellence, then, is not an act but a habit. This reminds us that our daily actions and choices define who we are. Striving for excellence in even the smallest tasks can lead to a life of fulfillment and success. Section 3. Epicurus: the art of living simply. Epicurus taught us the value of simple pleasures and contentment. He once said, "Do not spoil what you have by desiring what you have not. Remember that what you now have was once among the things you only hoped for." This wisdom encourages us to appreciate the present and find joy in simplicity, rather than constantly chasing more. Section 4. Confucius: the importance of virtue. Confucius, the great Chinese philosopher, emphasized virtue and moral integrity. He believed that the man who moves a mountain begins by carrying away small stones. This teaches us the importance of patience, perseverance, and ethical behavior in achieving our goals. Section 5. Marcus Aurelius: control your mind. Marcus Aurelius, the Stoic emperor of Rome, left behind a treasure trove of wisdom in his Meditations. He reminds us, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. In a world full of uncertainties, focusing on what we can control, our thoughts and reactions, can lead to inner peace and resilience. These timeless quotes from ancient philosophers are more than just words, they're guides for living a better, more purposeful life. Which of these lessons resonates with you the most? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more wisdom-packed content.